At the public meeting, a majority of the people seemed wary about having an addition that didn't fit in well with the historic church. I took this into account by creating an addition that mimics the original, but in a more modern way, doing so by replicating the patterns, colors, and verticality found within the church. This is further explained in these diagrams that explain my proportioning system and my use of color, these three right here, and how this system works with the surrounding environment, allowing for daylight and passive ventilation. Due to the need for more classrooms and gathering spaces, the addition will be a flex space, having movable interior walls which will allow for flexible classroom sizes and open gathering spaces. The movable walls will be made out of panels similar to how this image shows here. Looking at my floor plans, you will be able to further see how this works. This one showing it as an open gathering space, allowing for large events, and this one showing it broken up into smaller spaces, allowing for classrooms. I also cleared up the original addition, this space here, clearing up the cluttered floor plans and creating an atrium space that allowed for sunlight into the offices and classrooms encompassing it due to the fact they have clear stories placed in their interior walls. Better see that atrium space in this perspective. Shows a gathering space for people to sit and read or whatever they want to do, and then shows my paneling system on my ceiling. Also, this shortened wall right here, which will allow sunlight to get into these spaces. A part of my design was also its connectivity. Each panel breaks down and connects to become something else. A panel will go from the addition's roof and its walls to move to the ground level and create paths and benches, as if the building were sprouting from the ground. That is replicated in this diagram, which here's the roof, wall, benches, paths, and then more benches here. In this perspective, you're better able to see how that works. And then these paths will go and they create the blocks that are also in the atrium, and then also the floors of this old renovation here.